Pillar 1B2. Pillar 1B2 banking burning issues. Types of loan. Fixed interest. Interest will not change throughout the loan tenure. And floating interest. Interest changes as external benchmark repo changes. Teaser loan. Subtype of floating interest rate loan. Loan marketing. Initially low interest rate, afterwards higher interest. Subprime crisis in USA 2007 to 8. Teaser loans. Bankers gave loan to weak borrowers, used these loan papers to create new securities or bonds in market, acquired more money. System collapsed. Type of borrowers. Subprime borrower, individual person, does not have capacity to repay. Giving teaser rate home loan to subprime borrower. Subprime crisis in USA 2007-8. Global financial crisis. Over leveraged company has borrowed too much money than ability to repay it. An over leveraged company has high debt to equity ratio. Zombie lending. When a weak bank keeps giving loans to above two categories, example PMC bank to SDIL company. Interest coverage ratio. Is your company earning enough rupee to repay interest of the loan? Yes. ICR more than 1, Ambani. No. ICR less than 1, Vijay Mallya or IC1 company. Classification of bank assets. Standard asset to NPA, substandard asset to doubtful asset to loss asset. Standard assets. Borrower repaying loan on time. NPA. If principal or interest overdue for more than 90 days. For non-agri loans. Agricultural loans. Crop sessions counted and not 90 days. Substandard assets. NPA plus 12 months. Doubtful assets. Substandard plus 12 months. Loss assets. When RBI or bank auditor says little or no salvage value. Provisioning. Bank will be required to set aside some funds against NPA to cover losses. Therefore, gross NPA minus provisioning equal to net NPA. How to find standard asset becoming NPA? RBI made a special category, special mention account. SMAO, special mention account 0. Principal or interest not paid 1 to 30 days from due date. SMA 1, 31 to 60 days. Asset quality review. SMA 2, 61 to 90 days. Standard assets. SMA 0 means 30, 1 means 60, 2 means 90. NPA. Substandard assets, doubtful assets and less assets. Loan restructuring. SBI loan to Mallya, loan restructuring. इसमें इंटरेस्ट 15%, टेन्योर 15 ईयर्स. SBI का फिर लोन रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग के बाद माल्या को इंटरेस्ट 12%, टेन्योर 20 ईयर्स. हेयर कट. At least pay some amount of pending bad loans. Bank are okay to bear some losses, then complete loan to be defaulted. But this is one time settlement only. (1993) Debt Recovery Tribunal. 2002 Sarfacy Act. Asset Reconstruction Corporation or PCA. ARC is regulated by RBI, NBFC. 2014 PJ Nayak Committee. 2015 Indradhanush Plan, Bank Board Bureau, SDR, Strategic Debt Restructuring Scheme. 2016 S4A, I&BC. 2017 Recapitalization Band. 2018 Project Shashak. 2021 and NARCL. Loan write-off. It is an accounting exercise. Bad loans or NPA are deleted from asset side of the balance sheet to decrease tax liability of the bank. Banks can still recover it via SARFAESI Act or IBC. It does not mean that they have waived the loan. Stressed asset. NPA plus restructured loans plus loan written off equal to stressed asset. Loan moratorium during COVID 6 months. Ex gratia paid by GOI to borrower's account. Compound interest RBI demanded to simple interest आपका customer demanded. Amount more than 2 crore. Loan taken after specified date. Already NPA before and informal borrowing will not get this benefit. RBI's 3R framework to solve NPA problem. Rectification, restructuring, recovery. SARFAESI Act or IBC. SARFAESI S4 scheme, S4A scheme. Scheme for sustainable structuring and stressed asset. 2019 RBI's new prudential framework for stressed assets applicable to banks, AIFI, selected NBFCs, IBC to be main tool, discontinued S4A, CDR or SDR. SMAO, lender shall review the loan account and initiate the process. Willful defaulters loan can't be restructured. Lender must upload data of less than 5 crore equal to 5 crore or 10 loans less than or less equal to or more than 5 crore to RBI's CRIC portal on weekly basis. 2020 KV Kamnath report, resolution framework for COVID-19 related stresses, committee by RBI to look into loan restructuring. SARFAESI Act 2002, 1991 Narsimha 1, Debt Recovery Tribunal DRT 1993, 1997 Narsimha 2, Act to strengthen power of DRT, SARFAESI Act. Lender can attach the asset without court order. They can auction or sell. They can change BOD of company. Act not applicable to agriculture only. Applicable only on secured loans or mortgage loan. Court order secured. Who is the lender? All types of bank, HFCs, selected NBFCs, NBFC having asset size rupees 100 crore or more. Loans given at least 20 lakh rupees. Act does not allow for restructuring. 7 Schedule Union Entry 43 Regulation of Banking, Insurance and Financial Corporation but not including cooperative societies. Union Entry 45 Banking. 2020 Supreme Court judgment on SARFAESI Act, Banking and Cooperative Societies. Cooperative banks have this power. Aggrieved can file complaints in DRT and DRAT, but huge fee to include genuine complaints. DRT or DRAT understaffed, so recovery time consuming. Example case took 5 years. Erosion of assets value. Example plain Malaya 100 crore. After 5 years 4 crore only. So government enacted new law INB Code 2016. INB Code 2016. X individual, partnership, firm, company not able to repay business loan of more than X rupee. Then lenders, banks or NBFCs. Insolvency and professional IP by DRT NCLT. IP makes resolution plan 330 days. Example, lender should take haircut, less interest rate, more repayment tenure, get new investors. If plan is not accepted by majority, then IP will auction or liquidate the assets. IB code appeal structure. If borrower is company, then NCLAT, National Company Law Application Tribunal. Individual or partnership firm, then DRT under SARFAESI Act. Who is not eligible for IB resolution process? First, willful defaulters. Second, borrowers account is in NPA over a year and no capacity to repay, or connected person or partners companies with 1 and 2. For them, SARFAESI Act, direct attachment or auction only. First Amendment in 2019, finish resolution in 180 days plus 90-day extension 270. Must finish resolution within 330 days. Second Amendment 2019, ring fencing new investor or partner from any risk of previous criminal proceeding. Atmanirbhar Bharat suspends I and B code till March 2021. Atmanirbhar I and B code reforms. Minimum loan to register case before 1 lakh, after rupees 1 crore. Government tried to protect MSME. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI. Chairman, minimum 5 year to 65 age, whichever earlier statutory है, reappointment हो सकता है. Members 9 from RBI and government. Administrative work, Ministry of Corporate Affairs function, monitoring and guidelines to implement this code in practical manner. Awareness generation, select IPA. Insolvency Professional Agency, select IU. Institution of CA of India, Institution of Company Secrecy of India, Institution of Cost Account of India. Info Utility, compulsory for lenders to share loan data with IU. IU, National E-Governance Service Limited. Pre-packing, only for MSME. Borrower's company informally negotiates a resolution plan with its lender or buyer's practices before approaching IBC or NCLT process, because too much bad publicity of borrowing, competition, company media, branding decreases. Pre-packed insolvency resolution process with its corporate insolvency resolution process, IP wala scene. Bank example, SBI send letter to NCLT about its resolution. If borrower is not ready to pay 100% loan, Ambani, but only 80%, SBI to Tata. Tata will own company and pay 95%. Swiss Challenger. Finance Ministry, Sunil Mehta Committee, Project Shashakt 2018. Okay, a committee on faster resolution of NPA involving multiple PSBs. Joint lending, consortium lending, inter-creditor agreement, private faster resolution, stressed assets of 50 crore. Project Sashakt, only PSBs. To solve NPA problem internally before approaching outsider insolvency professional. Asset management company, asset trading platform for both buying and selling good asset and bad assets. IB code, INB code, NCLT technical reforms. Cross-border insolvency. Can the bank attach assets of borrower which is based on another country factory in US? INB code has provision for it, but they are not yet enforced. 2018 MO Corporate Affairs, Injecti Srinivas Committee suggested make separate law based on US law, but IBBI chief, no better just amend existing INBC. PCR, Public Credit Registry. Information asymmetry, banks know very less about borrowers. Defaulter borrowers know much about bank and BOD. Credit Information Companies, Credit Information Companies Regulation Act 2005. RBI regulates. CRISIL 1987, oldest, CARE, FinTech India, ICRA, Brickwork Rating, SMERA. Also RBI's own portal, CRILC, info about loans above 5 crore. IBBI portal, information utility. Duplication of efforts, RBI's Yashwant M. Diosthale Committee on PCR 2017-18. PCR Public Credit Registry. Borrowers covers. Credit information companies, mostly individual borrowers. IBBI IU and RBI's CRILC, mostly large corporates. RBI's PCR, Public Credit Registry, all will be covered. PSBN, Public Sector Bank Network, loan applicant. XSBI, application forwarded, PSBN, Aadhaar card number connection, will review applicants' legal entry identifier, global Aadhaar for corporate borrowers. What if X, Y, Z, Malia, Nirav Modi, etc. Borrowers set up new companies in foreign nation and borrow more money from foreign banks. Post global financial crisis, G20 and Financial Stability Board suggested 20-digit alphanumeric code for companies LEI like Aadhaar number. X, Malia, LEI, passport, Aadhaar, etc. Kingfisher rejected loan application. RBI implemented it in India. Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018. Economic offender worth more than or equal to 100 crore to confiscate properties of economic offenders who have left the India to avoid facing criminal prosecution. Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court ordered to appear within 6 weeks. If not, then he is declared fugitive economic offender. Once property attached, GOI will oversee administration or liquidation. No ordinary civil court or tribunal can give stay orders. Appeal only in High Court or Supreme Court. DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, Act 1961, 100% owned by RBI. Headquarter Mumbai. Compulsory for banks to buy insurance on deposit. Insurance up to 5 lakh on deposit. Within 90 days, 1 lakh to 5 lakh. Budget 2020. Once upon a time, DICGC used to cover banks' losses in PSL loan defaults, but now other organization looks after it. NBFCs not covered depositor will get 5 lakh रुपए even if deposited more than 5 lakh रुपए. ऊपर लिमिटेशन, यहाँ पे लिमिटेशन. Justice BN Shri Krishna Committee transform DICGC into Resolution Corporation RC. Banks and NBFC buy insurance from RC. RC monitors them for risk and help according to crisis. Public Sector Asset Rehabilitation Agency PARA. Bad banks. Bad bank purchases the bad loans, NPAs, loan papers, etc. from only PSB, not private. PARA. Restructuring, recovery, etc. In any case, PARA will suffer some losses. Cover these losses by taxpayers' money, RBI's dividend to government. Budget 2021. Yes, we will set up bad banks but give different names. To fix NPA, we will set up Asset Restructuring Company ARC, Asset Management Company AMC, Prompt Corrective Action Framework PCA, CAR, NPA or leverage ratio. RBI will monitor all banks on same parameter, NPA, Basel capital, profitability, and punish them according I1, 2 and 3. Punishment: restriction on BODs, salaries, dividend distribution, restriction on branch expansion, restriction on lending activities, forced merger or shutting down. Banking Regulation Act empowers RBI to take action such as direct action against weak banks. Applies on commercial bank, no cooperative banks, PSBs. 2002, RBI Governor Bimal Jalan creates PCA. 2017, Urjit Patel further tightened PCA. 2018, NABARD created separate PCA for RRBs. For Urban Cooperative Banks by RBI, Supervisory Action Framework SAF. PCA applicable for commercial banks, parameter plus capital. NBFC, DND both, CAR or NPA, plus NPA asset quality, excluding CICs, plus leverage ratio earlier written on asset till November 2021. SFB, payment banks, urban cooperative banks nahi, but SAF. Basel norms. Banks are required to keep capital in proportion to their risk weightage asset RWA. More bad loan equal to more RWA, more capital required. By issuing bond or shares. Process of gathering additional capital is recapitalization. Capital conservation buffer, counter cyclic capital conservation buffer, tier 1 and tier 2 capital associated with Basel. Basel 1 1988, Basel 2 2004. Basel 3 2011. WEF 31/3/2019. Capital to risk weighted asset CRAR must be minimum 9%. CAR equal to 9%. Capital conservation buffer equal to 2.5% of risk weighted asset. CRAR equal to C upon RWA into 100 equal to 9%. Less bad loans, less RWA, more CRAR ratio. Increase capital equal to RWA constant equal to more CRAR ratio. If not done by banks, then what? Banks have to resolve NPA or sell assets to decrease RWA and thereby its capital requirements. Else, RBI can restrict banks' lending operation, branch expansion, even force its merger, prompt corrective action. Basal capital, Tier 1 capital or core capital or Tier 2. Tier 1 common equity, Tier 1 ordinary shares, and additional Tier 1 81 bonds, preferential shares. Tier 2 bond or debentures, hybrid instruments. Basel norms. When bank is in big crisis, first step to gather capital, then 81 bonds can be write off, some bonds. Second, 81 bonds holds do not get money, use it banded and not medicine. That is, if banks make huge losses, 81 bonds liability may be written off or bond converted into shares, process called bail-in. 81 bonds have offer higher interest rate to attract investor. 81 bonds will have no maturity date, but in reality banks may buy back them after certain years. Money unlocks. Bank has to pay interest for infinite time or perpetuity, and principal will not be returned. Recapitalization of PSB. 2 points. Crisis situation. Equity shares. Issues new shares. Less interest by investors due to NPA profitability. Debt bonds. Issue bonds. Investors will demand high interest rates 20 to 22%. So not practicable. What to do? Bank to government for help. Government merger of smaller banks, privatization of weak banks, recapitalization of remaining PSBs based on performance. Indradhanush plan. 2015 Indradhanush plan for recapitalization of PSBs. Help partially by government by issuing PSB recapitalization bonds. If smaller PSBs, if these smaller banks merged bigger, banks may appear more reliable to investors and they may supply capital. Zero coupon bonds. कूपन 0%, प्रिंसिपल 100%, इंटरेस्ट रेट आपका कूपन वाला हो गया, फेस वैल्यू आपकी प्रिंसिपल. आर इशूड एट डिस्काउंट फ्रॉम फेस वैल्यू एंड रीपर्चेस्ड एट फेस वैल्यू ऑन मैच्योरिटी. फॉर पंजाब एंड सिंध बैंक, गवर्नमेंट सोल्ड 0 coupon bonds, 0% profit at face value and repurchased at same face value because government is majority stakeholder. Why did government do so? To help increase capital to meet Basel norms. Demands capital in form of bond or share. Technique to use deposit money to buy bonds. Really capital increased. RBI raises red flag over 0 coupon bonds for recapitalization of PSBs. To make PSBs disciplined, Finance Ministry Gyan Sangam workshop. Financial regulators, RBI, SEBI, etc. PSBs, public sector insurance company, etc. Outcomes, PSB reforms. CMD split. Chairman and managing director are separate 2 persons. BBB for selection of 2 officials. Bank board bureau, not statutory. Recommend name to finance minister, deputy finance services. Appoints MD or CEO, chairman, full-time directors. Indradhanush, Basel recapitalization is framework for performance monitoring. PSB, personal reforms. whims और dictatorship और laziness नहीं होगा. PSBs, PSIC, LI set, top officials, MD, CEO, chairman, full-time directors. Other public sector financial institution, example NABARD. Economic Survey 2020 suggesting campus recruitment, employee stock option plan, employee salary plus shares, part owner so performance, Finance Ministry, Department of Finance Services, is framework for PSBs, enhanced assess and service excellence is 1.2018 to 2019 is 3 2020 Corona tech enabled banking. IL and FS crisis 1987 Mumbai NBFC non-deposit taking systematically important because more than 5 crore assets. 25% LIC में कॉमन पीपल का. IL and FS to NBFC NDSI. MF pooled public money and invested, example Tata MF. In IL and FS, ILFS liabilities. IL and FS give loans to infra projects, port or highways. First, loan given to relative of board members who don't have any plan. Second, land acquisition, environment clearance, project delayed. Third, IL and FS, problems in repaying loans, MF wala. Fourth, MF facing difficulty in repaying. Junk assets, 270 billion रुपए. Shadow banks, ES 2020 used term. Certain categories of NBFCs which command very large amount of money and perform functions like bank lending money but not fully under RBI's control, called shadow banks. Example IL and FS, not bank, also giving loans, no RBI regulation, also responsible for subprime crisis or USA. Example Housing Finance Company DHFL, liquid debt mutual funds. Example certain schemes run by UTI, Kotak, Tata MF. Retail NBFCs. Example gold loan, tractor loan type of company. Plus this IL and FC type investment company and NBFC, ND or SI. Shadow banks passing challenges. Saving of company household are not making optimal returns. Steps taken. Company Act. Ministry of Corporate Affairs replaced board members in IL and FS. Serious Fraud Investigation Office SFIO. National Financial Reporting Authority. 2019 July. Deputy Governor Viral Acharya Committee framework to increase RBI's regulation and supervision. Utkarsh 2020 Roadmap. 2022 roadmap हो गया. Budget 2019 increase RBI's power to regulate NBFC. SEBI tightened norms on MFs regarding how or where they invest clients' money. Economic Survey 2020 to prepare NBFC health scorecard +100 to -100. RBI's proposed 4-tier structure to regulate NBFC.